大家好，欢迎来到 Mandarin Monkey.
Welcome to Mandarin Monkey lesson 44.
第44课
This is our 44th journey into the land of Mandarin. This lesson is going to be on
过
and its favourite buddy
了
Now we have done 4 videos on
30 to 33.
Yeah, so 30, 31, 32, 33. So 30 to 33.
They are the journey through
La. Yeah, okay, so if you need some more examples of using la on its own and all of its different components, please go back to lesson 30 and have a look.
好啊 So there are 2 patterns that you can use 过 in.
Okay.
And number 1 is verb, a doing word, and 过, and you put a noun after that.
Right, so let me get this straight. Now, Guò, that means that you've experienced something before.
Yeah, so in this pattern, it means you use the 过 to mean some kind of experience you have done before.
Okay.
所以 for example, phrase number 1, 去过
I've been there before.
Okay, 去过北极
I've been to the Arctic.
很好，我去过北极
I've been to the Arctic.
Phrase number 2, 玩过
I've played.
玩过自由落体
So this is a vertical drop ride in theme parks when you just go up and then you just suddenly you fall down.
It's a very scary one.
Yeah. So in this instance, you would say
自由落体
okay.
That's the name of the ride.
Cool.
在
And
中文所以玩过
玩过
自由落体
okay, so in this instance, one would mean play. Right?
Played,
So you've
对
played. Okay, but in English, obviously, we say we've ridden or we ride a ride. So
对
I've ridden the vertical drop ride.
我玩过自由落体
Yeah, I've ridden the vertical drop ride. Got it.
没
Okay.
错好 Phrase number 3, 听过
I heard.
听过这个消息
I've heard this news.
我听过这个消息
I've heard this news. Okay. Got it. All right. So Guò is to have experienced something.
对
So you need a verb and then Guò to say I've done that thing before.
没错
Okay.
来去过玩过听过
看过,
看过可以
吃过. Okay. Yeah. Got it.
然后你 put a noun something after 过
Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
好 Number 2 You can use 过 and 了 together in a sentence.
Okay. So this really gets a little bit more complicated, but not mind blowing. Yeah.
对 So you just put 了 after the pattern number 1.
Okay.
对所以 phrase number 1我
I.
洗过
You've washed.
头
Head.
了我洗过头了
I washed my hair.
没错 So you just have done this action just now or before.
Yeah. So I've washed. So that would mean if you say 过了, right? That would mean you've completed the verb.
对
You finished doing the thing recently.
Recently or just now.
Yeah.
Like
So
if you smell my head
lovely.
already 我洗过头了 It just means I just
washed
washed
my
my
hair,
hair.
yeah.
对 Okay 好 Phrase number 2我吃过晚餐了
I've just eaten dinner. So I've eaten dinner. I've finished eating dinner.
对所以吃过
Eaten
晚餐
dinner.
and then 了 means you have finished 我吃过晚餐了
Okay. So she's just finished dinner.
所以如果你问我说你饿了吗
You hungry?
No 我吃过晚餐了
I've just eaten. No.
对啊 Okay Phrase number 3我看过书了看过
Read.
书
Book.
了你刚刚在干嘛我看过书了
I've read that book. I've read the book.
对我看过书了
Hope that makes sense. So, again, recap. Guò, I've experienced. Guò, blah, blah, blah.
对
I've finished the verb.
if you are still confused, let me give you 2 sentences to compare the meanings.
Okay.
好不好？第一个，我吃过 fish and chips.
So, I've eaten fish and chips before. Yep.
第二个，我吃过 fish and chips 了。
I finished my fish and chips.
对，所以如果你问我，have you eaten some kind of dishes in England?
Roast dinner before.
我就是我会告诉你，我吃过 fish and chips.
I've eaten that before.
对 ，so I had this before. 如果你问我说，你刚刚吃了吗？
Have you just finished eating?
对，我会说，对啊，我吃过 fish and chips 了。
I've just finished eating my fish and chips.
对，that was my dish.
Okay.
对啊。
Sentence 2.
Example 2，我看过 A Quiet Place.
I've seen A Quiet Place before.
我看过电影了。
I've just finished the movie.
对，所以第一个句子，if you're saying the experience that you have watched some kind of movie，我会说一个 specific name for the movie.
Okay, so if you're using Guò and you've experienced something,
对
you would mention the movie's name specifically.
对，
Okay.
因为that is the movie I have seen.
Yeah, A
对
Quiet Place.
所以
Okay,
A
yeah.
Quiet Place is the name of the film, right?
Yep.
所以我会说我看过A Quiet Place.
Yeah, I've experienced that before. Yeah, I've seen that before. Yeah.
对，那如果你要说I've just done this action or this activity, I've just seen the movie just now. 你可以说我看过电影了。
So I've just finished watching a movie.
对
Okay.
，That's what I mean.
Yeah.
好，
Okay, guys, listen. It's practice time now, okay? Let's practice this, yeah? Together. It's practice time. Repeat the sentences. I've been to the Arctic.
我去过北极。我去过北极。
I've ridden on the vertical drop ride.
我玩过自由落体。我玩过自由落体。
I've heard this news.
我听过这个消息。我听过这个消息。
I've washed my hair.
我洗过头了。我洗过头了。
I've eaten dinner.
我吃过晚餐了。我吃过晚餐了。
I've read that book.
我看过那本书了。我看过那本书了。